Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up random number generator action automation for workflows. One of our workflow app that you're about to install and connect within your agency. Let's get started. At your agency view, you go at the app marketplace to search for the app. Type random, there you go, we click here. We go at install. We select the sub account where we want the tool to be installing and we continue. Allow and install. We choose the plan and then we confirm the plan. We automatically open this new window in order to copy the custom menu link URL. So copy here, we make sure it's copied, and then we switch back to the agency view in order to create the custom menu link. Back in the agency, we go at settings, custom menu links, create new. We have to fill this form and we start by selecting an icon for our custom menu link. We have different icons here. We select one and then we come here and we type a name for our custom menu link. For example, we decided to name our custom minion link Greg app. So you can decide, for example, to name your custom minion link my tools. We paste the custom minion link URL that we copied. Scroll down, we select an account where we want our tools to be available. And here we can decide whether we want to grant access to a particular user or to all users. When we're done, we make sure we save. The next step is to switch the sub account in order to connect the tool to the agency. Inside the sub account, we go and look for our custom menu link. Remember, I told you that we named our custom menu link Greg Apps. Since you named your custom menu link my tools, make sure you have my tools here. So let's go on Greg app. We have apps available and connected apps. Let's search for a random number. It doesn't pop up here. It means it's already connected. So let's go at the connected apps. There you go. We have random number generator. How do we set it up? We just have to go at the setup, and the only credential required in order to connect the tool is to provide the email address. So let's do it right away. Here you go, we submit, and bingo. The tool is already connected, and now we can start executing actions already from the workflow. So guys, if you ever have any question, feel free to reach out. We have a very dedicated support team who's also available 24/7 to answer your other questions. If you did enjoy this video at some point, give it a thumbs up. And if you're new here, don't forget to click the subscribe button below. Thank you for watching.